Alrighty, good morning YouTube, or good night, or whatever it is. My name is Nicholas and I'm from Mass General, and I'm here to show off the CW Beggs & Son products I've gotten. So CW Beggs & Son, as you can see, was made in Chicago back in 1874 by Charles Juan Beggs and his sons, I guess. And I did a little bit of research. So his brand was very popular, and he may also had a female cosmetic brand like lipstick blah and stuff like that. So yeah, he was pretty good at distributing everything, so he made CW and Beggs. And he has this really nice quote I really like. It is, he's not proud of his appearance but takes pride in his appearance. Meaning, I think that's a really good principle. I think that could be put anywhere in life. Like, even though you might not be proud of your past, or you might not be proud of what you have currently, you take pride in what you have and be happy you have it. So I think that really encompasses the whole brand of CW Beggs, which is very simplistic, bare bones. It's here to do what it's supposed to and work with a whole range of people. Now, CW Beggs has simple, beautiful, simplistic packaging, and I already cut open this box, as you can see, and I took a peek already. I did not open any of the tissue paper in there, but the presentation looks flawless, and I have to say I really am a sucker for good presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. And also, by the way, it's hypoallergenic, so it's no fragrance or anything. I have really bad, sensitive, oily, acne prone, and dry skin, and I have rosacea, so anything that irritates it will make it turn red, as you can probably see. Now, excuse my appearance today because I have been outside, which has been super humid and gross, and it's been like in the 90s all day and very humid. So I've been out. I went to a movie, saw Lights Out, and I went around, played some Pokemon Go, so now I'm going to go in to kind of looking into the box. So here we go. You'll see what I mean about the quality to me of this product. So you open it up and blah blah. I'll block that off probably, and here you go. You see right there, you get this beautiful box with tissue paper, which has the CW Beggs logo all over it, kind of in a very foggy look, and this nice envelope, and all over it's just a very nice presentation. You're thinking, wow, I really like it. Now I got a beautiful pack, which includes the oily to combination skin. So in this envelope right here, it includes just my order description, which is a gift set combination to oily skin. Now this was $45. It shipped from Canada, which it's from Chicago, so it's like what? So I got it, and they shipped it very fast considering it came from Canada. And it was it was $45 with $10 shipping, which is the basic. So I have not opened this, so you see it comes with this beautiful tissue paper. I don't know if it's going to focus or not, but you can see it has CW and Beggs all over it, and it's beautiful. CW Beggs, CW Beggs. So yeah, there we go, and oh wow. You open it and you see that right there. You have this beautiful packaging, tissue wrapped paper with the other CW Beggs sticker. Oh my gosh, I'm a sucker for this. I love it. That's why I love Birchbox so much. Oh, and it included a free sample of their moisturizing lotion, which this is actually what I got in a full size in the Birchbox additional box. You can see right there. So yeah, it's a really good aftershave moisturizing kind of lotion. So I'm going to move this out of the way, and here we go. Now, as you can tell, I only have one shot to get this right. So there we go. We opened it. Oh my gosh, it's tissue. It's wrapped. It's wrapped like a present. It's perfect, which it is supposed to be. Yes, so you see right here. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Stunning. I love it. Oh my gosh. I just can't get over it. Sound like that rainbow sponge lady. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yep, it includes the Shine Control face wash, face scrub, and shower shampoo. It's 3-in-1, and Shine Control moisturizer. So it includes all that. Let's look around here. It shows the ingredients on the back for each of these products, and I wanted to show, let's see here. Here we go. It is, that C right there, that's where it's all the hypoallergenic. It says it's hypoallergenic, perfume-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, oil-free, and alcohol-free. So it's all these free things you get. So here we go, and I'll start the unboxing of this. And it comes, oh my gosh, in a beautiful gift box. And I don't know, it's hard to see. I don't have very good lighting right now, so you can see it has the same CW Beggs logo stitched on this beautiful box. Oh my gosh. And wow. $55 I spent, and I get these massive sample, or these are full-size items. You can see it right there. Wow. That is a pretty good deal, you have to admit. For all that, I'm so impressed. I wasn't expecting to get sizes this big in the products. It's amazing. I love it. Oh. So, there's the face scrub. Shine Control Moisturizer. Here we go. We have the Shine Control Face Wash. There we go. And the Shower Shampoo and Shave. Now, honestly, a lot of products I'm a little bit hesitant in trying the actual 3-in-1s because sometimes they have some fragrance in it and it just breaks my skin out like crap, and I'm like, stop. So, but this product I trust because I really do trust CW and Beggs after using the products. I also got a little face wash the same size as this little sample. So I'm going to go, now since I already look pretty disgusting right now, all my oily skin and everything, I'm going to go ahead and take a shower right down here, and I'll show you my afterthoughts of it, okay? So I'll be back in just a few minutes. I shower, and I have to say, I've tried this stuff, and besides all that beautiful packaging it comes in right here, does this stuff really work like it says it does and do great, like removing the oil? Blah. And yes, I have to say, definitely this stuff does the job. It is a quality product, and I love it so much. I've tried it. I'm very impressed. They did not let me down. I think it really follows CW Beggs' overall statement of what he has to say, which is he is not proud of his appearance, but takes pride in his appearance. And I think this stuff is a true representation of that statement. This stuff really is, it doesn't really have any scent to it. It's just simplistic. And for my skin, since it's really gross and oily all the time and acne prone, this stuff does great at canceling out that oil. It's hypoallergenic. That's what my doctor recommends for my skin. And I have to say, it does an amazing job. And I haven't really found any other product that mattifies like this stuff. So I started off with this Shine Control. Actually, I washed my hair first with this stuff. Then I did my Shine Control face wash, and that stuff felt good. It has menthol in it, so it makes your skin feel nice and light, and it feels absolutely amazing. Then I went on to washing like the rest of me and stuff, and it had that menthol in this too, so it felt great. I did not use the face scrub today because I already had used an exfoliator yesterday, so I didn't want to irritate my skin because I did shave today. But oh my gosh, I'm excited to use this. And the Shine Control Moisturizer is amazing. It's like, oh my gosh. I've tried, I think it's like this other stuff I tried from Birchbox. It was like a mattifying stuff, and it did not do anywhere as near a good a job as this stuff. Now, it doesn't have any like fragrance because that other stuff would break my skin out, but it mattified so well, but it just made my acne really angry and stuff. So this stuff worked absolutely fantastic, and I definitely, to each his own though, I think this is absolutely worth the $45 you'd spend for this product. And compared to other products, yeah, I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm very impressed, and I'll leave a link in the description below of where you can find these great products on CW Beggs. And it's makes a great gift. Like, it'd be a good gift for like a brother-in-law or your Father's Day or any of those days. And I definitely want to get this shower shampoo and shave stuff for my dad because it has a great menthol in it, and he's always raved about the Noxzema menthol shaving cream, but he was disappointed when they got rid of that years ago. So I'm definitely glad to introduce him back to this stuff, and I think he'll definitely like it. Now, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see some more content of me reviewing stuff like this, new stuff, you can like and subscribe and leave a comment below of what you think, and if you think this stuff actually mattified my skin and compared to earlier in the video. Now, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Now, goodbye.